All right, a quick lesson on Boolean operations, okay? So here's my scene. I have my bottle. I did all these cutouts, and I do have some other videos where I showcase this, okay? I'm going to hide my background quickly. See you later. Okay, so here's a supposed filter I'm designing, okay? And I want some similar style of cutouts here, okay? So what you could do is simply, if you could see here, I can select this piece. Before I do any operations, I'm going to double check that my scales are 1, and second, I'm always going to back up my work, okay? So I selected all of these, Ctrl A, clear out the scale, so I have clean clean history of transformations, and I'm going to duplicate, Shift D, Y. There's my backup. Second, here we go, save as, boom, give it a new number. Save as always every 15 minutes, all right? Good. So I want cutouts. So if I always select the piece you want to keep first, okay? Start with the piece you want to keep, and then the piece that's going to take away. It needs to penetrate to through the objects. You can see it goes through it. Sweet. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an example of one, and then I'm going to join them, and I'm going to do it again. So here's one right here. I'm going to select my object here. I'm going to go to the wrench, which is here. Go to Generate Boolean. There it is. I'm going to take my little eyedropper and click on one of these guys. Now you'll see there's an orange cutout here. That means I did create the difference. That means whatever's left is the difference, right? And then I have to apply it. Apply. So now nothing happens to this piece. It doesn't get distributed. It's kind of cool, right? Look at that. Isn't that sweet? That's a nice cutout. Because this is solid, I have a solid piece here. Sometimes when this is a cutout, you don't get the same response. Okay, I'm going to undo here. Okay, I'm going to do again, boom, 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 Control Z many times. So what I'm going to do is, instead of doing this, how many do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 of these, I think. Yeah, instead of doing this 8 times, I'm just going to select each object, gentlemen. Classic. 3, 3, 4. So I got to go like this. Click once, hold Shift, left click, Shift, left click, Shift, left click, Shift, left click. Hopefully this will work. Shift, left click. And I'm going to press Control J for join. Control J, done. Okay, so if I click once, there it is. I'm going to right click, center the origin, down here to the mass. All right, I'll do it one more time. Wrench, add modifier, generate Boolean, get the eyedropper, click. There's those orange cutouts, sweet. Then I need to accept it, which is apply. Excellent, done. Now I could just move these out of the way. Look at that, how sweet is that? So this kind of makes it a cool look. And for me, I'm just going to take a piece here, I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to scale it up by 1.1% on the X, Y, and Z. So it engulfs it. It'll be like a glass enclosure, and we can see this through it. That's my design idea, okay? So a simple, end of the day, Boolean operation could work for anything you want. All right, so I'll leave it at that. I think I'll just say Balian out for now. Thank you.